And a Florida lawmaker responds to a harsh truth that some parents are being wrongly accused of child abuse. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Ava Van Valen. ABC 27's investigator Katie LaGrone first revealed how state experts are behind abuse accusations that force innocent parents to spend thousands of dollars to clear their names and save their families from being torn apart.
Make your square.
How does the state wrongly accuse a parent of child abuse?
It's shocking,
says Democratic Florida Representative Anna Eskamani.
It was horrible.
But it's also happening, as our investigation recently discovered.
This is a mistake.
Why am I here?
These families among an unknown number of Florida parents who found themselves separated from their child and fighting to prove their innocence after a child abuse pediatrician concluded their baby's health issues was the result of abuse.
They didn't even do an investigation. They just arrested my husband.
Court records provided to us from these parents who spent thousands of dollars to fight the state in court also reveal some doctors coming to such far-reaching conclusions without thorough investigations.
It took him 2 minutes just to give an extra there were abusers.
It's a problem impacting families around the country. In Texas, recent media scrutiny has led some lawmakers to consider introducing a bill next year that would require, in some cases, the state seek an independent second opinion before a child is separated from their parents.
that system, though, would provide the oversight and accountability that parents deserve.
Representative Eskamani believes the additional measure could make sense here in Florida, since we found these pediatricians who serve as the state's experts on abuse often answer to no one and operate independently from region to region.
Any position of authority that isn't checked by something else is concerning.
With the legislative session starting this week, Eskamani says it may be too late to file similar legislation here, but she vows to bring up the issue in Tallahassee and invites other families to share their stories.
You want to make a cue with us?
Of being torn apart and wrongly accused.
Probably in the room with us less than 10 minutes.
This is the doctor?
Yes.
The child abuse
Yes.
doctor?
Yes.
When the state's expert on abuse got it wrong.
It was just sad.
I cannot believe we're going through this.
It's really destroying families.
Since these cases involve children, records are largely kept private. The State Department of Health, which oversees these doctors, says its top priority is the health and safety of children, but says child protective teams are open to receiving input from others. Katie LaGrone, ABC 27, investigates.